Are you interested in learning how to potentially get 100% of your down payment covered through readily available government programs? In this video, I'm going to show you how to tap into those programs. Some of them will even give you free money to purchase your first home. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am your host, Leo Landaverde, commercial lender and real estate investor helping you increase your wealth. There is nothing better than real estate to increase your wealth. So if you're interested in learning how to purchase real estate right and getting all the financing that you need, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified every Thursday when a new video comes out. Before we dive in, a couple things you need to know. There are over 2,000 down payment assistance programs in the US. There are state programs, there are county programs, and there are even citywide programs, each of them with its own criteria. Some are exclusively for first-time home buyers, some are not. Some have income limits, some have not. Now, we're gonna go through a lot of stuff right now. Please stay through the end. I'm gonna have links for everything I discuss in the description section of this video. So, let's get to it. By the way, this video is specifically for those of you who live in California, who are California residents. So if you happen to live in a different state other than California, you might want to check your state guidelines. So with that, let's get started. Number one, CalHFA. CalHFA stands for the California Housing Finance Agency. What's really cool about this program is that you can actually borrow up to 3.5% of the appraised value of the property, or $10,000, whichever is less. Now, keep in mind that you still have to be able to come up with a closing cost for the purchase. And warning, this is not a grant, this is a loan. It must be repaid back. So proceed with caution. It's either gonna be triggered but when you sell your house, when you pay off your house, or when you refinance your house, but nonetheless, you can get up to $10,000 if you use the CalHFA program. Number two, the Golden State Finance Authority Platinum. This is 100% non-repayable grant. This is not a loan, so this is free money for you. So here's the deal. It gives you up to 3 to 5% of the appraised value of the property, which means you don't have to pay it back, and there are no first-time home buyer requirements, which means you could have purchased a home before and you're still eligible to qualify. Again, this is 100% free money, and the link to this will also be at the bottom of this video in the description section. Number three, the USDA Home Program. This program is sponsored by the US Department of Agriculture, and it offers 100% financing, which means no down payment. You still have to come up with a closing cost, but there's 100% financing, but you have to live in a rural area. Now, there's a link that I'm gonna have at the bottom where it actually tells you about the program in detail, but there's a couple things you need to know. Who may apply for this program? So you must meet the income eligibility, which means you cannot exceed 150% of the median household income. Now, there are links through HUD where you can actually find out where you are as far as the median income. The truth is, a lot of people do qualify. I'll say over 80% of the people qualify because they have pretty high income thresholds. Also, you have to agree to personally use it as a primary residence. So that means no investment property, you have to live in the premises as primary residence. Also, you have to be a US citizen or a US permanent resident to be able to take advantage of this USDA home program. Number four, the CalVet program. If you are a vet, this is for you. It is sponsored by the California Military Family Relief Fund. And for qualified buyers, it offers up to 100% financing. Again, no down payment, but you still have to be responsible for the closing cost, all right? So there's a couple things you need to know about it. Again, details will be below. There's just a lot of things that you need to know. For instance, you must be a current member of the California National Guard in good standing. You have to be a California resident. Again, all of the programs that I've talked about today are all for California residents. You have to be deployment to active duty for at least 60 consecutive days and Title 10 USC status. You have to have experienced some type of loss of at least 10% in income pre-deploying. You also have to, if you were injured while serving on active duty and have been discharged, you may qualify under a cash grant. And there's a lot of other details, but the bottom line is it offers 100% financing. Now, outside of government funded programs, it's very little. I mean, there's no outside, you have to put money down. So this is a great programs, and I hope they were helpful to you. Now, let's just recap now. Here are 3 questions you need to ask yourself to keep in mind as you look to qualify for some of these programs. Number 1 is, are you buying the property for the first time? Or has it been at least 3 years since you own a home? If the answer is yes, that's good. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2, will you be living in the property or will it be owner occupied? If it is owner occupied, then yes. We can go to the 3rd question. Are you low to moderate income earner in your area? If the answer is yes, then you need 3 yeses to be able to apply for these programs. So hopefully that was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. If you have used any of these government programs before, please let me know about your experience. Also, if you're interested in learning how much house you qualify for, please download my free max payment mortgage calculator. Click on the link below this video. If this video was helpful to you, you're really gonna enjoy these 2 videos. Please watch them next. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so now. And don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified every time a video comes out.